So it's not the first time you hear that negative people have a negative effect on you, isn't it? So like, you know this probably subconsciously too. If you hang around with people that always complain and are always negative, never positive, what do you think you will start thinking? Do you think you will start thinking more positive or more negative? Or maybe just stay the same? The thing is, in no scenario you could start thinking more positive because you hang out only with people that talk negative. You have not a single person in your life that's positive. Your brain is automatically gonna start thinking more negative. Unless you really spend a lot of time working on yourself away from these people. Every single second that you're away from them, you're like positive, positive, positive. That's the only way. But otherwise, you know, they will have a negative effect on you. So you must cut these people out of your life if you want to be successful, bro. Like, do you think Elon Musk would be where he is if he would only have negative people around him telling him, bro, you really just gotta pick one company, bro. You can't pick two of them. One is gonna fail and probably you'll favorite another one too. Bro, it's so hard, man. Come on, let's grab a beer. Fuck that shit, bro. I can't do it anymore. If they would be telling you this shit, if they would be telling him this shit, do you think he would succeed? He probably wouldn't have succeeded as much. But he cut those people off. And he didn't have these people around him. And he didn't even listen to these types of people when they were talking to him. So you should do the same thing, right? You should not let these people be in your life. You need to cut them off. So, how do you do that? It's quite hard, right? Especially if you see them every day. And the thing is, you don't necessarily need to just go to them and be like, you know what? I don't think you fit me. I don't want to be friends with you anymore. Fuck you and your stupid negative ideology. Or wait, can't you? You could just do that. That is a simple thing. You go up to them, you know what? Next time he mentions something, you just be like, call him out, bro. Bro, you're negative as fuck. Man, what the fuck? I don't want to be around negative people. Go away. And he will look at you weird. They might think you weird. They might shit talk you behind your back. But wait, do you give a fuck? In a few years, you will be away from this school. In a few years, you will maybe not even be working this job you're working anymore. Or you will not be. You know why? Because you will improve in life. They will stay negative. They will talk shit. But you, if you're here, you're struggling to level up. You're going to level up eventually. You just gotta put the work in. And then these people will not matter to you. You will not even spend a second thinking about them. You should not let them get in your head. You should not let any second wasted on them. Because you could be thinking about progressing in your life instead of thinking about how stupid they are, how fucking shit they are, how much you hate them. Don't think about it. Think about how you're gonna progress in your life. And you know they're the problem. So you want to get solved this problem. The only reason why you're not cutting them off is because you're afraid of something. You're afraid they will not validate you anymore. But the thing is, you don't need their validation. You have your validation. You're mad at yourself because you don't cut them off. Maybe your parents will be mad at you because you don't cut them off. I'll be mad at you, bro. If you don't cut them off, you're fucking stupid. That's what I think of you, bro. Just cut them off. And if you find it hard to do, start slowly, bro. You can just like talk to them less and less in your free time. Just don't message them back for hours, maybe even days. They'll be like, bro, what the fuck you doing? You'll be like, yo, I was busy, sorry, man. And then eventually you lose contact and just stop texting them. Don't send them texts back. Like, you just seen them more and then you just don't talk to them. That's another way to go. Or you can just go straight up forward to their face and end the shit today and tell them, yo, I don't want to hang out with you anymore. I do not like you. You and I, we're not a fit. So don't talk to me. And I will not talk to you. And everything will be perfect. Or you can just go up to them and say like, bro, I don't like you, to be honest. You like me, fine, I don't like you. I don't want to talk to you. And go away. It's a hard fucking thing to do outside your comfort zone. But if you do it, what do you think? Your life is gonna get worse? No, it's fucking not. Shut up. It's not gonna get worse. It's gonna get better. If not this year, it's gonna get better the next year, alright? Because right now you will maybe feel the pain for a few days, months, but then events change, bro. People will forget about whatever the fuck happened between you two, and new things will happen. They will start thinking about them. They will not think about you, but you will have the life that you wanted. So, bro, do the harder thing. Why do I always say embrace the pain at the end of my videos? Because you must do that. If you do that, you will like your life more. If you don't do that, you will start hating yourself eventually because you don't do the shit you could do. And then you're the reason why you don't live the life you want to live. And that's why you'll be mad at yourself. So every single time you know what you gotta do, but you don't do it because you fear doing it. Because you fear the coincidences. That's a sign you must do it. Unless the coincidences are like jail or some fucking stupid shit. Or like fucking up your whole family relationship. That is different, right? But I'm talking about if you're like afraid to go talk to that girl because she might reject you and you might feel awkward. You're afraid of feeling awkward. You're afraid of rejection. What the fuck is this, bro? Are you a man or not? Go and do it. Go talk to that girl. And go tell that fucking lad that you don't want to hang out anymore with him. Just tell him, I don't want to hang out with you anymore. Bam! Adios. You don't need no reason. I don't like you. That's your reason. I don't want to talk to you. You're always negative. I don't want to have nothing to do with you. No, I don't give a fuck what you gotta say. I don't like you. Adios. Do that. And comment down below how it went. And bro, I'll be there for you. Alright, I'll be there for you. If you need any help, I'll be there. I will personally get on call with you if you need it. Comment down below how it went. And remember, always embrace the pain. See you in the next one. Ciao!